And welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software like a tabulas or like that things from your POCO F5 Pro. So at the start, if you see something like that when trying to visit any site or just spamming alerts in the notification bar, that means you have a notification software. And we can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So the first method, go to the settings, look for the apps, and now choose the manage apps. Check the list. If you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you do not recognize the name of it, open it, click install and click OK. Now in the second step, look for your web browser in the app list. Chrome in my case. Now go to the storage and tap on the clear data. Tap on the manage space and choose clear all data. Click OK, and after that your web browser should be free from notification software. But if that way is more for you, you can also try to download antivirus app. So just go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm using Avast, so in this app we have to click continuous free, tap on the green circle and click allow. Enable it, go back to the app and always use the deep scan. And after the scanning process, all of the viruses shall be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, recommend, and goodbye.